Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Concept Clear. In today's class, I will explain principles of security in the subject of cryptography network security. Okay, coming to our topic, principles of security is also called goals of security. In examination, you will get a question right. What is CIA? What is 3IA? And what is the third CIA? Okay, you may get questions like this. Okay, coming to our topic, what is meaning of goals of security? Goals of security means why when you are providing a security, what are the major factors we will get? Okay, if you are providing a security for any data, any computer, what are the major aspects we will get? Okay, here when you are getting security, majorly three factors we will get. That is the first one is in a network or a computer, we will get confidentiality, integrity, availability. Okay, these are the three goals for security. Okay, we will discuss one by one. What is the meaning of three goals? First one is the confidentiality, integrity, availability. Okay, we will see what is the confidentiality. Okay, here, sorry, we will see the what is the meaning of confidentiality. Okay, general meaning of confidentiality. General meaning of confidentiality. It means what? Secret. Okay, it means secret. Here, maintaining secret. It is the main important in security. What is the first one is maintaining a secret. Okay, for example, sender and receiver both are communicating. Sender sending message and same as receiver sending message to the sender. Okay, here what happened here? Both are communicating each other. Okay, these messages are should be confidential. These messages are should be in secret. Okay, sender message lu receiver ki ravali, receiver message sender ki ravali. Both messages are secret. Okay, that is called confidentiality. It means both parties has to maintain the secret. Okay, it is nothing but confidential data. It is nothing but confidential data. When we are sending the messages, the data from sender to receiver, that should be keep secret. Okay, generally when the messages are sending from sender to receiver or receiver to sender, both messages should be keep secret. Okay, that means the message should be passed only sender to receiver only, no third parties. ఓకే ఎప్పుడైతే ఓకే జనరల్గా చెప్పాలంటే సెండరు రిసీవర్కి మెసేజ్ పంపించినప్పుడు అది డైరెక్ట్గా సెండర్ నుంచి రిసీవర్కే వెళ్ళాలి. అలానే రిసీవర్ పంపించిన మెసేజ్ కూడా డైరెక్ట్గా సెండర్కి రావాలి. దేర్ షుడ్ బి నో థర్డ్ పార్టీ ఇన్వాల్వ్మెంట్. Then it is called confidentiality. This is the first goal of the security. What is the second one? Second one is integrity. What is the meaning of integrity? Means very simple. Integrity is nothing but no modifications. Generally, sender and receiver, these both are communicating each other. Sender is sending the message. Okay, and if the message is not delivered to receiver, the message is delivered to third party. Okay, if from third party to the message will be sent to the receiver, then there is a no integrity. Why? Because whatever the message is sending by the sender, that message is hacked by the third parties. He know what is the message, then he will modify that message and he will retransfer to the third receiver. Then what is the confidential? Then what is the integrity? There is no integrity. Why? Because whatever the original message is modified, so it is called like this type of communication is called no integrity. If the message is sending from sender to receiver directly, that is the integrity. Okay, we'll see what is here. Whatever the data you are sending from sender to receiver, the data should be sent without modification. Then it is called integrity. Okay, that means how or which message is sent by sender, the same message should be reach the receiver. Then it is called integrity. Okay, this is the integrity message. This is the not integrity message. This is the example. Okay, next one is availability. What is the meaning of availability? Availability is nothing but whatever the data we are sending from sender to receiver. Okay, sender to receiver, the message should be is available in all the formats. The messages should be available in all the forms. That means receiver should able to read the data. Whatever the message we are sending, that message is also readable format or understandable format. Okay, understandable ఫార్మాట్ అట్ రిసీవర్. అంటే మీరు పంపించే మెసేజ్ రిసీవర్ సైడ్ కూడా రీడబుల్ ఫార్మాట్ లో ఉండాలి. ఇట్ మీన్స్ ద ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ ఫంక్షన్, మనం పంపించిన మెసేజ్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ ఫంక్షన్ షుడ్ బి వర్క్. దట్ మెసేజ్ షుడ్ బి వెరీ క్లియర్ అండ్ ఈ షుడ్ బి అవైలబుల్ ఇన్ ఆల్ ద ఫార్మ్స్. అది రిసీవర్ సైడ్ ఉంటేనే దెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ అవైలబిలిటీ. వెరీ సింపుల్ గా చెప్పాలంటే మనం పంపించే మెసేజ్ రిసీవర్ సైడ్ కూడా పర్సన్ కి ఈజీగా అర్థం అవ్వాలి. దెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ అవైలబిలిటీ. ద రిసీవర్ పర్సన్ should able to understand what are the message is sent by the sender, then it is called availability. These three are the major goals of the security. What are the three goals? Means confidentiality, integrity and availability. Okay, thank you everyone. If you have any doubts, please ask me in comment section. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you everyone.
నా ఛానల్ పేరు గుర్తుందిగా, ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్.